All right.
Bird hunting in the garage. Oh, jeez, there he is. Hey, pretty birdie. Oh, he's right there. He's up there. Roseanne, this is your worst nightmare.
Over here about the cat carriers.
No, go out.
Let's try it. It's on the head.
Oh, he wants to. Here, come be a friend of mine. Come be a friend of
Something's wrong with it.
No. Come. Out. Not that way, you little shit.
We're on video.
Oh.
He keeps trying to go out the window.
Well, it's because he thinks it's clear. It's not clear.
Maybe you need a net.
Just need to grab him. No. Hi. Hi.
Use that.
Hi.
I might bite you.
Oh. Let's sit there.
Oh, wow.
Oh. I know.
Ooh.
I hear you. I hear you.
Wee.
He shit on me.
Hey!
Oh, he shit on you now. Oh, that's the bird extracavator.